In this tutorial, I want to show you how to extend a pre-created steampunk light in a steampunk light asset for Unity. Let's go to the Unity folder, and here are some pre-created lights in the asset that you will have access by purchasing. And one of the pre-created lights is the SP Light 08. You can extend it and change it and create a new light either by Unity and using the standard object prefabs, or you can import it in 3D Studio Max and other 3D softwares and use the standard objects to extend it. So let's extend it in 3D Studio Max. I will open the 3D Studio Max, go to the file, import, and let's go to the FBX folder, and in FBX folder let's go to complete lights and select the SP Light 08. And here we have the SP light in here. Okay, I want my tools for extended, so let's click on import again, go to the standard parts, and I need base fittings here. So let's open the base fittings, and I have it. So let's add a T in here. So let's select the T shape. All right, let's copy that and align it with my pipe. Fine. Let's delete this tall pipe and use two medium ones. Rotate it 90 degrees, put it in the place. Move them up. To have something like that. Okay. Now let's rotate this pipe again. Put it in here. Use this elbow and rotate it 90 degrees. And towards up. Move it in here. I want a shorter pipe. So let's delete this pipe and use the short pipe. Put it in here. It's better now. Good. And again, I will copy all of them. Put it in here. And move it up, something like that. Okay, let's add some union. And add another coupling. Very nice. Something like this. And let's copy this pipe and put it in here. Let's select the T. Rotate it 90 degrees. Something like that. Copy the pipe again. Align it with my T. Towards down. Use the coupling. And let's select the lamps. Put it in here. Something like that. And here let's go in there. I can select this valve, align it with my board. Let's rotate it 180 and add a tab to that. So let's select one of the tabs. Put it in here. Let's delete these hangers, this one and this one. And even, I don't want this. Let's delete that. Okay, I have extended my pre-created lights and I have created a new lights. And now it's time to select all the shape and go and select the reset X form, reset selected, convert everything to editable poly, select all the pivots, affect pivot only, and put all the pivots in the center of the word. And let's rotate the pivots so that I have the y-axis towards the up and z towards outside, something like that. And it's time to save my work. So let's go here. You can attach fittings or you can leave everything as it is. Let's go to the file, export, export selected. And here in my FBX, I will go to my tutorials and light tutorial 02. Let's save that. Click on OK. And let's go to the Unity. And let's go to the FBX and my tutorials. And as you see, I have my light tutorial here. And as I mentioned you, if I click on my light tutorial, I have the place of materials that, as you see by default, there are no materials assigned to them. Body parts. When you see the word body parts, you come to materials and select the body parts. Whenever you see the word body parts, you must give the body parts materials to the body parts place. So let's drag and drop it to give it to the body parts. When you see extended parts, always you must use extended parts solid for that. So let's drag and drop it for this. When you see the base fittings, you must always use the base fittings. And when you see the glass, you can either select the glass or the extended parts transparent, as you see. And let's click on apply. And here we go. Let's load my file. Here my tutorial, here's my light. And let's put it in the center. Let's move it in here and let's move it in here. And as you will see, I have the extended version of these lights. Alright, everything is flexible with this asset, and you can create a lot of lights depend on your projects, depend on your what you want. And all the steampunk lights creation are very easy with this asset. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thanks for watching. Good luck.